Hello friends, I'm Malcolm from A1 Australia, PTE IELTS and NAATI coaching. After a lot of requests, today I'm going to demonstrate how to do a read aloud perfectly without a lot of extra stress and at the right speed. A lot of you I know are really struggling to get that 65 in reading or 79 in reading, but what you don't realize is until you sort out your read aloud, you cannot get a high score in reading, especially if you're targeting 65 plus or 79 plus in reading. So please listen to me, follow my strategy, follow my suggestions, and try to speak in the same way. I'm practicing this from our free portal, which is called mockmaster.ai. You can also use it on your phone's web browser or on your laptop's web browser with unlimited AI scoring. Save this video so that you can watch it before your exam. And if you're looking for classes for PTE IELTS and NAATI, make sure you contact us. I'm Malcolm from A1 Australia. Now the first rule about a good answer in read aloud is, in the beginning of the sentence, as you can see after as a child, there is a comma. Don't take a pause there, that is a trap. Only in long sentences, if you have a comma or somewhere in the middle in a long sentence, then take a small pause. But in the beginning, if you have a comma, don't take a pause. So you should not take a pause after child, but you should take a small pause after lavender and also after the word yard. And make sure that words like grandmothers, the S sounds, flowers, herbs, the S sounds are clear. So now let's do it. And one more thing, in the real exam, before the beep sound, you get about 25 to 30 seconds to prepare yourself. In this time, make sure you read aloud the entire passage. Don't practice in your mind. Practice by reading aloud. That way you will have more confidence as well. Let's see this now. 3, 2, 1. As a child, I used to spend hours playing in my grandmother's garden. She had an array of colorful flowers and herbs growing throughout the yard, and she would teach me about each one. She had a particular love of lavender, and I remember her telling me stories about how she used to dry it and make sachets to put in her drawers. This is the perfect speed. There was no intonation at all on individual words. My speed was very smooth. Also words like sachets, I pronounced them clearly, drawers, clearly, lavender, clearly, flowers and herbs, clearly, grandmothers, clearly. So this is how you get full marks in reading along with a very high score in speaking. Make sure you like this video, share this video, and for more such tips, tricks, strategies for PTE IELTS and NAATI, make sure you contact us on the number which you see in the comment. Thank you. Good luck.